Well, I've never bought a new mower, but on this old mower, somebody gave to me for free. It worked, but pretty soon this piece here, the handle, broke. So this is the first generation fix with 1,000,000 zip ties and that little piece of a angle. Put this piece of rebar on here, more zip ties, some hose clamps, and then over here it's an old piece of a lamp actually used, because this is just garbage. Look at that. Order up some parts and get this guy fixed. And down here is the model number. It's an MTD machine, and so those are the parts I'm gonna get. These are gonna be saved, and these are gonna be saved. Nice. Yep. I'm wishing that maybe I'd have paid attention. I'm going to put this guy right there. So in order to hold everything together, I'm just going to go for that right there. Just like that. Re-add the pull string holder. Pretty sure we can declare that running like a champ. Everything is in there. Thanks for joining me today. I love you all.